Welcome to ABA iBanking for Business, your seamless online banking solution. Making international bank transfers with ABA iBanking has never been easier. To make an international transfer, click Transfers screen on the side panel. Click New Transfer button and choose International from the drop-down options. On the new International Transfer screen, select the account from which you will make a payment to an international bank. Then choose an existing beneficiary. Or if this is a new beneficiary, click New Beneficiary button and provide beneficiary details. Then choose Transfer Currency and provide amount. If the amount exceeds a certain threshold, you'll be required to provide supporting documents. To do that, simply click Browse and upload the file. Now you can choose who pays the transfer fees by selecting one of the options, such as option where sender pays all fees and charges, option where sender pays ABA service fees only and other charges will be deducted from the transfer amount, or option where all fees and charges will be deducted from the transfer amount. Also, you can provide purpose of transfer and select the date when you want to pay. Before you submit the international transfer instruction, you can select to receive debit advice when funds are deducted from your account and notify beneficiaries of funds transfer via email. Finally, click Next button and review the payment instruction before you submit it for authorization. And click Submit. Finish the process by entering a 6-digit code generated via hard or soft token device and click Submit. You have successfully submitted the international bank transfer instruction, and it is now pending authorization within your company. In order to complete the transaction, authorizer needs to sign in, then go to Authorization page and click the International Bank Transfer instruction, which is pending authorization. As an authorizer, you can choose to decline or approve the instruction. Finish the process by entering the 6-digit code from your token and click Submit. ABA iBanking for Business, smart and simple way to manage your company finances.